Okay, so guys, we just completed a 10,000 kilometers mark on this Ather Rizta. Scooter has been wonderful, and it's working really fine. But still, there were very minor issues which I just wanted to share with all of you. Probably you are also facing, if you are having the same scooter, probably you are also facing the same things. Let me know in the comments if you are. First thing first, so this panel over here. So although it has nothing to do with this 10,000 mark, because I've been facing this from the day one, right? So just hear this out, right? So it would keep on shaking, right? If the road is a little bit bumpy, or the road is not so smooth, or even if you have a full air pressure in your tires, it would still give you these odd noises, which is very frustrating sometimes. Again, second thing is this accelerator here. So I remember my scooter was parked outside in the rain for one afternoon, and in the evening when I just went outside and wanted to go somewhere, so when I started the motor and I started accelerating, I felt it was really heavy. And since then, I don't think it is just because of the rainwater or something, but in between I used to feel like it is kind of heavy. So I felt this was also very heavy, and when I went for the second service on the 10,000 kilometers mark, that they cleaned it with some compressed air pressure, and they told me that you just check it out, and if it's still hard, or if it is still giving you some issues, you can bring it back and we will replace it. That is what they told me. Again, this panel over here, the third thing which I sometimes feels is uh, I'm not sure, is it because of the design or what, but these panels, this one and the other one which is on the other side, these would stay dirty most of the times. I just washed it day before yesterday, and look at the panel right now, it's really dirty currently. And other than that, again, the problem, one more problem which I am facing is this lock over here, right? So it doesn't closes anymore. So it happened when I was on a 9500 mark, 9500 kilometers. So it stopped working, and this thing doesn't locks anymore. So I told this thing to them, and they told currently the lock is not here in the stock. So probably we will order it, and once it is here we will inform you, and then you can come and have it replaced. So these are some of the issues which I am facing. Other than that, the scooter is working perfectly fine, right? So here you can see it's 10,368 kilometers, and it's working fine. And on a full charge, it gives me a range of around 85 to 90 kilometers every time I do a full charge. So it's working very fine, and these were some of the issues which I just wanted to share with you. If you are also facing these kind of issues, let me know in the comments. Thank you guys.